Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is on step 5 of the Laddie motor. Step 5 in the restoration process is to paint everything, and I've got it all painted. Had it all disassembled in the last video, and I've got it all cleaned and painted, all the nuts and bolts laid out. Magneto, Laddie motors, a 1957 5 horsepower Sea King for John in Chicago. Carburetor rebuild, decals are sitting there waiting to put on. Got all the components cleaned and painted. Looks really, really nice. Came out pretty good. The Sea King motor, the Laddie motor. Ready for the fun part, step 6. I'm gonna put it together, probably starting tomorrow. Stay tuned for the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I certainly did. I love what I do. I'd like to take this time to share with you a few things that's going on here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards. The first thing is our eBay store. I've been doing outboard motor parts for over 10 years, more than that on eBay. I have over 2,000 parts in there. The link to that store is down in the description. Best way you can find it is to Google T Mike's Vintage Outboards eBay store. It'll bring you right to my store. Second thing I'd like to share with you is my mail-in repair service. So you can ship me your carburetor, magneto, or gear case. I can test and repair it and ship it back to you. I have several customers that have done that. The third thing I'd like to share with you is I have a listing on eBay for technical consulting. All right, $40 an hour. You just buy one and you get free consulting for an hour. I don't mind you calling me for help. Here's my number, 337-278-5429. Feel free to call me. I always answer my phone. I'll give you free advice for 10 or 15 minutes. If it's going to take longer than that, probably just need to buy 1 or 2 of these items on eBay. All right. And the last thing I'd like to talk to you about is my restore services. So here's a link to it down in the description. You can ship me your motor. I can do a full restore or a light restore. I have all the prices and everything on the link down below. So those are the things going on at T Mike's world. Just remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.